Welcome to my cooking channel, Ashwini Tarcar's Cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe.
Pitla Bhakri is a very popular dish in Karnataka and Maharashtra. Let's see how to make it. Take 3 green chilies in a mixer jar, quarter cup roasted and shelled peanuts, quarter cup peeled garlic, small piece of tamarind, and full of coriander leaves. This was washed and cleaned before, and salt to taste. 1 tablespoon fresh coconut. Grind it to a chutney without water. Now chop 2 onion, medium size onion, not too fine, not too big, actually as per your liking. Now take a pot and add 3 tablespoon oil. This dish looks oilless, but it has oil. Without oil it won't taste good. Half teaspoon mustard, half teaspoon cumin, quarter teaspoon hing. Add the chopped onion and fry this onion till translucent. 2 chopped chilies, quarter teaspoon turmeric, add 2 tablespoon paste. Rest we will reserve to use as chutney. Fry till fragrant. Keep stirring. This will burn because it has coconut. Add 1 teaspoon cumin coriander powder and 2 cups of water. We will use 1 cup besan, that is why we are using 2 cups of water. And salt to taste. Now sieve 1 cup besan. This is the coarse variety. Do not buy the super fine one which is used for dhokla. You can see the small coarse grains. Add it. Now add this besan to boiling water. Keep the flame low. Keep adding in small batches and stirring continuously so that less lumps are formed. Once all the besan is added, you can see few lumps are still there. At this point, add little cold water and mix well to break the lumps. Now cover and cook. Let us cover this and cook for 10 minutes or so. After 10 minutes, check if the besan has become sticky. That means the pitla is ready. Serve with ghee or butter, makhan. I prefer it with ghee, and serve the chutney by the side and serve it with millet roti. Now the pitla is ready to serve. Enjoy and happy cooking.
Thank you for watching. If you have liked my recipe, subscribe, like, and share it with someone who loves cooking. See you in the next video.